It's been it's been an interesting few weeks. I've really felt sorry. So this is not your usual vlog. This is just me talking to you, the person behind the camera. Actually, there's nobody behind the camera. It's just a line of clothing behind the camera. The person watching this video. And I just wanted to be really honest on this video. The last couple of weeks, or the last month really, felt very burnt out. Maybe a little anxious. I don't know why. Maybe because I probably want to do too many things. I like to say that I put high expectations on myself and trying to keep a schedule, but I've lately been procrastinating a lot. This is probably the worst month I've had for learning how to code. Like the 2 vlogs that I did this month have felt like I've not done anything through the week. So then when it comes to vlogging, I'm trying to push it, and I've tried to just make something out of it. And that does get me into the mood sometimes, but the last week I didn't video anything because one, I had a race. I had a 6-hour enduro race, and 2, I just couldn't really be bothered. But this is something that I've had. It's a feeling that I've had the last couple of weeks and months of like, I love creating content, and I love I like vlogging, but I'm still not 100% sure, and it does take some effort. And I know things that might pay off in the future will take effort, but then sometimes I just don't have the energy. I don't have the feel for talking on camera. And then sometimes I don't know if it comes across well that I'm trying to learn how to code, and maybe I'm just not doing enough of the research. I don't know. I just want to come here and be completely clean about it, because my goal was to make at least 1 YouTube video a week, whether that's a vlog or a tech review video. And I do want to show the struggles. And kind of at the moment, I'm actually just watching other YouTube videos, other YouTube vlogs from programmers, just to see if I can get some inspiration. I have written down here as a vlog with mostly B-rolls with a voiceover, so maybe like a first person point of view, like one of the creators called Marko from Norway. He's a programmer. He does a lot of like first person point of view vlogging with voiceovers. So I think that's might be slightly more achievable for me. I'm gonna try and do it. So it kind of gives me a way to document bits of my life through the day without feeling the need to document my whole day and then having to try and make a vlog out of it. So I think I can write something better about it, just kind of video bits of my life and video have a bit more of a story wrapped around it. So sometimes I feel like I don't want to vlog because I don't have a story in my head, and sometimes I don't want to vlog because I start the video. Like this morning I actually wanted to vlog, and I vlogged a little bit, but then I just didn't have a plan in mind. And this is kind of what I'm getting at, is like I'm not having a plan in mind. That gets me a little bit anxious, because then I don't have a video to make, but then I feel burnt out because I have probably too much on my plate with work, and wanted to change careers and wanted to try different things. And I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I think I want to do a lot of things. So maybe I want to become a content creator full time, and maybe that's a job in the future. Maybe I want to become a photographer. Maybe I want to become, I don't know, maybe I want to make a film or documentary. I don't know. It's literally like, I feel like I have a lot of creative ideas, but it's just doing something about it. But then it's just, I think I have this weird obsession with a lot of things. Is when I pick up a new hobby, I want to go in like head first and do as much of it as possible. And I think that's it's definitely not healthy, because literally when I go into tech reviewing on YouTube, I wanted to buy every piece of tech in the world, even if that put me into debt, and just review it all. And me thinking that this is gonna pay off, I'm gonna get famous, absolutely the wrong reasons. But obviously that didn't happen. But we move on? And I still like to do tech review videos, but it's one of those things that I'm at a point in my life where I can't really afford buying tech at the moment. So I just wanted to find a way to keep creating videos. And so I came up with this idea of I'm learning how to code. That's kind of in tech. So if I can vlog about it and vlog my journey, if I can vlog my journey how to code and maybe become a programmer in the future, a software engineer, then that may be something for it. But then again, I think it's a thing like, yeah, I think is the thing of like, sometimes I don't have the energy for it, and then I feel like if I don't talk on camera, then it's just useless, which is stupid. But so yeah, so I think that's going to be a change for it. But yeah, this is just a very short video. It won't have any music. It's going to have just a couple of cuts, and I just wanted to come clean here of like, yeah, I kind of last couple of weeks I felt anxious about maybe life changes in the future, if this programming thing is even worthwhile at the moment, because it feels hard, and I feel a little burnt out. I don't want to do any learning. I don't want to do any reading. I've been procrastinating a lot. So this is a video that I'm going to be turning around. So do expect for the next vlog a slight change of how I'm going to do those vlogs. I'm going to attempt this style of kind of like not talking as much on camera and be mostly B-roll with some voiceovers on top, kind of like Marko does on his YouTube channel. I hope he doesn't mind me kind of not copying his style, but stealing a little bit of his style. But go watch it. It's a great vlogs and great look into a software developer's life. So yeah, but thanks for sticking around. I'll see you next week.